FFA. FFA. Whoa! Did my camera catch that? You didn't go off.
District of Columbia, Maryland, including the following areas: Emerald, Calvert, Carroll, Depot, Central
What the hell?
and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Frederick, Maryland, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford,
going off.
Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford, Southern Baltimore and St. Mary's, and Virginia, including the following areas: Albemarle, Arlington Falls Church, Alexandria, Central and Southeast Prince William, Manassas, Manassas Park, Culpeper, Eastern Ladue, Fairfax, Greene, King George, Madison, Nelson, Northern Fauquier, Northwest Prince William, Orange, Rappahannock, Southern Fauquier, Spartanburg, Stafford, and Western Ladue. Winds from Friday evening through late Friday night. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: as a wavy, slow-moving frontal system tracks across the area, multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms are possible.
Oh, great. Yep, that's ready to pair. It didn't catch it. Damn.
A slow-moving complex of moderate to heavy rain unfolds into the evening and night. Storm totals could reach 2 to 3 inches, locally nearing 4 inches in spots. Please visit www.weather.gov.